Hi everyone, this is Smriti, welcoming you all to my channel QA Automation Classes. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to continue with the remaining commands for the filter, right? So in the last class we have already seen few of the filter commands, like we have seen more, less, right, PG, and then head and tail, right? So these are the commands which we have already seen in the last classes, and continuing further on those commands, we have few more commands like tr, which means translate, and apart from that we have sort the content, right, and then cut and then paste, okay, and then the most important one is the grep, and I'm planning to create a separate session on the grep itself, okay. So let's start, guys. Okay, so first command is tr, okay. So the tr is nothing but the translate, okay. So when I say tr, let me show you. So the command is t and r, tr transfer translate, okay. So let me go and see the content of a file, and then we'll try to translate something there, okay. So let's see. So let's see what are the files we have. Okay, getting new.txt unsorted text, okay. So let's see what is the content of this new.txt, okay. So let's say cat, okay, new.txt. so now here you can see, right? So in new.txt I'm saying welcome to Q automation classes, then hyphen by Smriti, right? So here this hyphen and by Smriti I have added, right? In big file you have only seen welcome to Q automation classes, right? So now let's do one thing. So in this file there are 50 lines, okay. So and the content of each line is same. So let's change this hyphen, okay, with colon, right? That we can do. So this can be possible with the help of the tr command. So let's see. So I'll say tr, okay, and then what I'm going to replace, I'm going to replace hyphen, right? I'm going to replace hyphen with what I'm going to replace, I'm going to replace with colon, right? And then the name of the file, okay. Let's say the name of the file is new.txt, okay. So so what we are trying to do is we are going to translate the hyphen, okay, with colon, and we are changing those things and then updating the new.txt, okay. So done. Now if you see, okay, after this command is executed, if you see the content become changed to the colon instead of the hyphen. Now let's see the content that new txt, right? This. Okay, so right, so this is the tr command, okay. So similarly let's say we want to capitalize all the word in the file, okay. So here if you see, few are like capital and few words are in the not capital letters, right, small letters. So now let's convert everything into the capitalized format. So we'll say tr, okay, what I'm going to do tr. So we will convert all the small to capital, right? So I'll say small a hyphen z, okay. I'm going to convert them into the capital A hyphen z, a hyphen capital Z, okay. And then say in which file, the file is new.txt, okay. Hit enter. Now if you see, everything is capitalized, okay, right? The word, all the word, each and everything is capitalized here, right? So now let's say cat, let's see if there is any actual any changes to the actual file or not. New.txt, Now say the new file, so not the new file, the original file remains unchanged. If you do that tr, so for that command it will change the output to your desired output. Okay, so but it doesn't change the original file. See, the original file, whatever was the content is still same, right? So we saw the two things. One is tr translate, right? We translated the hyphen with colon, and then we capitalized all the words. Okay, and similarly, if we want anything, right, so we can delete also. So how to delete? So for delete we have to use a option with the tr command. So we'll say tr hyphen d. Okay, so d stands for delete. So what we are going to delete? So let's say uh, by, right? I have something called as by, so let's delete by. Okay, let's delete by, and I'll say where new.txt, right? New.txt. So now hit enter. Now let's see. So now the output you can see here, right? So welcome to QA automation classes hyphen smoothie. So earlier it was by smoothie, right? So now it is only smoothie. So now we could successfully delete the by from the file. Okay, for each line, right? For each of the line we could able to delete the by. So that's all related to tr commands. Okay, and the next one we're going to use the sort command. Okay, so I'll show you. So sort command. Okay, sort. So you know what is the use of sort, right? So the sort is used to sort something, right? So in the ascending order or descending order, right? So sorting. Okay, so it stands for sorting. It sorts the file and returns the result on the console or the standard output. Okay, so here also the changes will not be reflected in the original file. The in the console it will return the response. So let's see. Okay, clear. Okay, so okay, let's see. I have two files for this to understand the sorting behavior. One is the onsorted number.txt and another one is the onsorted text.txt. So let's say what is the content of those one, right? Onsorted number. Okay, number.txt. So now let's see. So if you see, this is not sorted. Like I have 10, 20, 11, 12, 50, 18, 90, 80, 45, 34, 23, 56, 43, 76. So this is not at all ordered, right? This is not at all sorted. If I say this is not at all sorted, right? So now we are going to sort this one. Similarly, I have one more. Let's do that unsorted text, right? So unsorted text. I just want to show you the content, right? So then only you can understand how the sorting is applied on the number and how the sorting is applied on the file. Okay, so here in this unsorted.txt file I have 4 lines. One first line is this file is unsorted, it doesn't have any sorting, we have to sort it, sorting is done. Okay, so now this is the unsorted text file and this is the unsorted number file. Okay, in unsorted number we have bunch of numbers which are not sorted, and in unsorted text we have 4 lines which are not sorted. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So let's first do the file, right? So let's do for this text file. Okay, let's sort it. Sort. Okay, I'll say on sorted text dot txt. Now see. So first if you see, it says it doesn't have any sorting. Sorting is done. This file is unsorted, we have to sort it. So how the sorting happens? On the first, if you see the first word for each of the line, right? So it will go with the alphabetical sorting. Since this is alphabetic, this is not numeric, right? So in alphabet, which alphabet comes first? So out of T, I, W, S, which comes first? First I comes, right? So then this line is printed first. So I, okay, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Then S comes, right? So sorting is done. Second one is sorting is done. After S, the T comes, right? This file is unsorted, right? Sorry. the next one, this file is unsorted, so this one is coming here, this file is unsorted, right? And then the last one, the W comes, right? So W we have to sort it, right? So that's how it's displayed, right? So this is the alphabetical sorting, right? So hope you guys are clear, right? So similarly, let's do the sorting on the number, right? The same command will be same, sort unsorted number.txt. Now if you see 10, 11, 12, 18, 20, 23, 34, 43, 45, 50, 56, 76, 89, all are sorted here, right? Yes or no? Yes. So okay, so now the sorting, we saw the sorting with respect to text or the alphabet and with respect to the number, okay? In the ascending order, by default it is sorted. So now if you want to sort in the descending order, right? So now we have to use some option along with the sort option. So I can say, let me go to first one. Okay, so sort -r, let's say -r unsorted text.txt, hit enter. So now if you see, this is printing me the output in the reverse order. So here you saw, right? This is the sorting in the ascending order, this is in the descending order. The last line becomes the first line here, right? So we have to sort it, become the first line here, and the second line, this file is unsorted, sorting is done, it doesn't sorting is done, it doesn't have any sorting, so it is in the reverse order. So same thing we can try for the number also, sort -r, okay, -r unsorted number.txt. Now if you see, the first comes 90, 80, 76, 56, 50 dot 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 up to the 10, right? So it's in the reverse order. So reverse order of the sorting, we say this is the -r option, right? So hope you guys are clear on this one, right? So if you guys need anything, like if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so now the we completed the sort, right? So in the reverse order and in the normal order. Now the next one is cut and paste. Okay, so these are the two more commands we'll see for today's session, and the next session we'll continue with the grind. Okay, so let's see ls, let's see okay, new unsorted new file 1 and greeting. We have two files. Okay, let's see what is the content of file 1 or the greetings. Let's see greeting. Okay, so okay, so the content of the greeting is hello. Okay, so now I'm going to cut means what? I want to extract those piece of information, right? So I'll say cut, okay, -c stands for the character. Okay, so and I'll say, suppose I want to HELLO, so 1 2 3 4 5 characters. Okay, so when I'll say, let's say the second one, okay, and the last one. Okay, so I will say 2, 5. Okay, so and the file name greeting. Okay, greeting. Now let's see what is output. So I am going to cut the characters. Okay, so which characters I'm going to cut? 2, 5, 1 and 2. 2 is E, right? And then leave the 3 and 4 and get me the 5. So 2 and 5 give me E and O out of the content of the greeting, right? So this is how we use the cut. So there are few other options you can try, but this is the most commonly used. Okay, and similarly we have a command called as the paste command. Okay, so before going to that one, so the original file is not changing, this is just for the output. So if I will show you cat greetings, it will still contain the hello, right? This operation, right, this tr and whatever cut, paste, whatever we're seeing, sort and all, this happens on the original file, but the content is displayed on the output, not the original content of the file is not getting changed, right? If we need, we can use the redirection operator, and there we can create a new file out of it with the content. Okay, that we'll see in the next class. So let's quickly see the paste option. Okay, so what is the content of file 1? Let's see. cat file 1, nothing is there. Okay, greeting and new.txt. Let's see new.txt. New.txt. Let's see one.txt. Cat. Let's see c1.txt. QA automation classes. Okay, so I got two things. So I'll say hello QA automation classes. So hello is in greetings, right? So I'll say paste greetings, right? Greeting. Okay, and then with the greeting I have to say, right, I'm going to paste, right, the second file is c1.txt. c1.txt. Now let's see hello QA automation classes. So it combined the output of greeting, that is hello, with the output of c1 dot, like the content of the c1.txt, that is QA automation classes. Content of the greeting is hello, and then content of c1.txt is QA automation classes. So it combined both of them, right? So now you can see the entire content is hello QA automation classes, right? So this is like a paste command, right? So if you want to explore the new things, okay, so new commands and all, you can go ahead and do that. Like what are the different options are applicable to them, but these are the most basic and the like frequently used commands which you might encounter while working with the Linux. So that's why I covered them. So since the next one, grep, okay, this is most important, I want to cover it as part of the separate chapter itself, and in the next session we'll be covering the grep. Okay, grep, fgrep and egrep. Okay, so we'll be covering that one completely. So that's all, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. Okay, so this is the Smoothie signing off for today, and with a promise to learn something new tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.